two big names in website building, Weebly versus Jimdo. Which one actually comes out on top? On one side, Weebly, famous for its simplicity and drag and drop power. On the other, Jimdo, intuitive, fast, and loaded with clever features. We'll be comparing them across the stuff you really care about: ease of use, customization, pricing, support, and more. We're skipping the hype. Let's get down to what really matters for you. Each matchup earns points, and at the end, you'll get a clear winner. Trust me, the outcome might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright. Here's our game plan. We're going to compare these two across a bunch of categories: price, ease of use, design and flexibility, e-commerce, marketing, and SEO, plus support and security. Everything you'd want to know before picking your builder. Starting off at price. Weebly gives you a pretty generous free plan, and their lowest paid tier is honestly not bad if you're on a budget. But yeah, those advanced features do cost extra, which can be a bit of a downer if you're hoping to grow. Now, Jimdo comes in swinging with super affordable plans, especially if you just need a simple site. Their free plan is a bit more stripped down though, so don't expect all the bells and whistles. If we're talking about pure value here, I gotta give it to Jimdo for keeping things wallet friendly. Next up, ease of use. Weebly is classic drag and drop, like you really can't mess it up even if you tried. It's perfect for folks who get nervous just hearing the word coding. My only gripe? The editor does feel a little, old school sometimes. Over to Jimdo, this one really holds your hand with their guided AI website creation. It's honestly kinda wild. You answer a few questions and boom, there's your site. But, you don't get a ton of creative freedom. Still, both are totally beginner friendly, so I'm calling this one a tie. Design and flexibility. Here's where things start to shift. Weebly gives you a bunch of templates, and I have to say, the customization options are pretty solid. You won't find like a huge theme marketplace, but for most folks, the built-in stuff is more than enough. Jimdo, on the other hand, wins points for speedy, AI-generated designs and some nice modern templates. But, and this is kinda a deal breaker if you're picky, custom edits are really limited. Pros might pull their hair out, so Weebly takes this round for giving you more creative wiggle room. Oh, and here's something cool before we move on. Did you know? The first ever website went live in 1991. Yeah, seriously. That's older than some of you watching this right now. On to e-commerce. Weebly's definitely solid for small stores. You get built-in inventory, and it feels geared towards someone running a hobby shop or starting out with side hustle sales. That said, it doesn't really scale if you dream of going full Amazon, and extra transaction fees can sneak up on you. Jimdo makes it super easy to spin up a basic store, really easy. You can even sell digital goods. The catch? It's pretty bare bones, and payment options are limited. This one goes to Weebly for actually letting you do more if you want to build out a proper store. Weebly for actually letting you do more if you want to build out a proper store. Let's talk marketing and SEO. Weebly pulls ahead here with some solid SEO settings and handy marketing integrations, newsletters, stuff like that. I mean, don't expect WordPress level blogging, but hey, who does? Jimdo, meanwhile, covers the SEO basics and the setup couldn't be easier, but no advanced tools if you want to get fancy. Overall, Weebly comes out on top if visibility is important for you. Last but not least, support and security. With Weebly, you get email and chat support, plus SSL is included. Phone support, though? Pretty rare. And the support team is a bit slow outside of business hours. Jimdo matches them with its own help center and chat, SSL too, but live support is a bit limited. Really, neither is going to blow your mind here, so I'd call this another tie. Alright, if you're a visual person, take a look at how these two stack up overall in price. Weebly does well, but Jimdo edges ahead. Both are neck and neck in ease of use and support, while Weebly clearly has the upper hand in design, e-commerce, and marketing. So what does all this mean? Well, if you're after more design options and aim to run a business, Weebly's honestly your best pick. But if you just want to get a site up fast and, don't care too much about tweaks, Jimdo is awesome for that quick, no-fuss launch. If you found this helpful, stick around and hit that subscribe so you don't miss the next